Now let us see another drawing which is made with these lines. Let us see. You have to keep your copy in this position. Draw a standing straight line in the entire page. There will be only one drawing in one page. Take a point here and then draw two lines like this, one on the left side and one on the right side. And now start from this line and join this point at this point. Right side also do the same like this, and in the bottom of it draw a rounded shape like this. And starting from here and draw rounded lines like this from this point and like this, and also start from here. This is a part of leaf. In the same way, again one more leaf here, and draw more lines inside it like this, one line and two line, but line will end here. The ending point of line is this. And also start drawing some rounded line in U shape, but it will spread. The upper line will be smaller and lower line will be larger. The inside of this shape there will be square like this. It will be a maize. This is a maize putta.